Parallel sailing is a fundamental method of marine navigation used specifically when a ship sails due east or west along a parallel of latitude. In this method, the ship's latitude remains constant throughout the journey, and only the longitude changes as you travel. So when do we use it? Only when your course is exactly due east, 90 degrees, or due west, 270 degrees. Key characteristics include constant latitude, direction restricted to east or west, and the distance sailed equaling the departure. The core formula is departure equals the difference of longitude times the cosine of the latitude. For example, if a ship sails 120 miles east at 40 degrees north, we calculate the longitude change using this cosine relationship. It is simple, quick, and accurate for east-west sailing. But remember, it cannot be used for mixed courses involving north or south changes. Remember this tip. Parallel sailing is navigation along a constant latitude where distance equals departure and only longitude changes. Thank you for watching this video.